All right, so I am in the lab and we are making a AI YouTube thumbnail. So this is an AI YouTube thumbnail maker tutorial. We're going to use Chat GPT. Chat GPT, specifically DALL-E, or in this case, we're going to use a GPT known as Thumbnail Expert. So to find that, just go to Explore GPTs, type in Thumbnail Expert. So that's the program we're going to use. I already have some chats pulled up. And I'm going to make 2 new ones, like just in real time, but I just want to bring you through like what I went through to get these decent looking thumbnails for my last ones. So like I say, it mode 1, you just type it, like you'll see when you pull this up, it says like what mode 1. So I'm just like mode 1. Let's go back. I actually didn't like how this one came out, so we're going to delete this. And that's part of the experience too. Like, just keep experimenting with this and adding little things. So I'm like, mode 1, create a YouTube thumbnail for blank. To create it, theme. And I typed in all this stuff. It's like theme, like, I like this one because it does ask this. It's like, this part's actually, I thought it was kind of annoying at first, but it's actually like, you end up making better thumbnails. Theme, main focus. So I have specific things. I'm like, theme should be somebody analyzing something. I said that because what I did was I just looked at like some of the competitor like thumbnails, and I just kind of just like use that same vibe. Main focus, magnifying glass. I saw a magnifying glass by competitors. So it downloaded this or created this. I'm like, this is pretty good actually. But it sends it in a web.p form, and I'm like, bro, send this in JPEG. Can you send this in JPEG? Then I literally was like, can you send future thumbnails in, I meant to say JPEG. And it was like, no. I was like, I meant in JPEG. Got it. So now everything in the future is going to be sent in JPEG. All right. That is some of the notes here. Another cool thing you can try is in this version, and I went through a lot of stuff here. I was like, I put all the details in. I told it not to use text because sometimes when it uses text, it ends up like looking like this. This happens sometimes. I'm like, bro, like, what is that? You know, maybe you could tell it to write it in English or whatever language. But for whatever reason, it does that. So I told it, like, just do not include text. And I said, use the same color scheme as my logo. So you see how all these kind of match the color scheme of my logo, which I think is really cool. So I'm going to do the same thing. Well, I'm going to keep this one here. I have 2 different streams going right now. This one just has, like, no color scheme, which I think sometimes works. This one has my color scheme. I haven't really decided if I want to keep going through with the color scheme because I think the trade-off is it looks like my color scheme, but maybe the thumbnail doesn't turn out as good. Like, I think this thumbnail is very bright, but it's kind of like generic at the same time. So let's see what we come up with next. Okay. So anyways, the next thing we're going to get a thumbnail for is we're going to say AI social media marketing. That's kind of like the keyword that we're going for. I'm going to say create a YouTube thumbnail for boom. Okay, let's just see what comes up with this. By the way, I'm playing music in the background. Not sure if you hashtag noticed. That's my freaking album, bro. So yeah. Sometimes it does this where it just takes a while. Sometimes you just have to refresh it. I don't know why it does that. Just come on, thumbnail expert. What you can also do is, hey, H it, bro. H it. Pull up a second GP Tizzle, bro. I'm gonna say, I'm gonna go to this one and say, JPEG, create a YouTube thumbnail for, gosh, hurry up, bro. It used to not be like this. I wonder if it's just like the time of day that I'm doing this, because usually it's like pretty fast. All right, so lessons of the day, like make sure it's in JPEG. Tell it to put it in JPEG because, like, again, it will literally create it in web.p form for some reason right now. It used to not do that. It used to do it in PNG, which also didn't work because the file size was too big. This is pretty good, bro. So you see how it's in my color scheme again. Like, what is this, bro? See, it has like this weird language stuff. If words are used, it should only be in English, bro. I don't know what's going on here, but what's going on with this, bro? Okay, just go. That looks good. Just go. That looks good. I'll come back to that one. All right, so like sometimes, and again, sometimes I like pulling two different threads up because like then I can be like, the heck was that, bro? I don't even know what's going on here, but like. Please write in English, not whatever language this is. Is this in JPEG? Did it in WebP. Send everything in JPEG format, not WebP. That includes the most recent thumbnail. Oh. There you go. Okay. See, I got kind of impatient with this freak. I don't know. Sometimes I feel like this thing's too real right now. This one just looks creepy, bro. So we're going to go with this one. We're going to go with this one. We have ourselves a thumbnail. This is the creepiest looking freaking thing I think I've ever seen in my life. Look at this thing. Looks like a straight up horror movie. What is going on here, bro? Let's have a more positive theme, bro. I'm gonna say let's have a more positive theme going forward. Like real talk, bro. Oh, AI is hilarious, bro. Okay, let's hurry up and wrap this up, bro. Why does it keep downloading this other one? What is going on, dude? It's like downloading the wrong one. Now, that's just weird. It's like making me use this creepy freaking one. Hey. Hi. That is a download for a different image. Different image. Please send me the JPEG for the Can I attach this? See, can I even attach its own stupid crap, bro? The image attached. Hurry up, bro. Otherwise, I'm just going to go with this creepy looking one, bro. You know, why did it send me the other download? Probably because I have a different chat up. So there you go. Whew. Fun vid, right? Okay, come on, bro. I feel like I make AI feel stupid, bro. I mean, in reality, it would take a long time to do this. AI, social media, bro. This is actually pretty good. I just needed to hurry up so I can move on to the next thumbnail, bro. I was like, bro, let's have a more positive vibe. This looks like freaking the end of the world. Oh, shoot. This isn't my song, dude. Oh, dude. Come on, bro. Hopefully I don't get a copyright for that. I'm pissed, bro. Okay, like, There we go. There we go. Finally, we have ourselves a thumbnail, bro. It usually doesn't take that long, but all right. Let's try to do this a little bit faster this time. Whatever, bro. Just freaking use it. What's the next one here? Hurry up now. How to write a 2,000 word blog post with Chat GPT. Okay, this is what we're going to do. Create a thumbnail for, I'm going to say, create a thumbnail for, that's how I did one. Not, this one's asking me a bunch of stuff. I think because this thread is so deep, it's just not asking me all that extra stuff. All right, cool, man. Let's see what it comes up with, bro. I guess the question is, like, is this even faster than doing it in real life? I think so. Let's see, we're 11 minutes in. Honestly, I could probably be doing something else while this is even doing this. You know? What we got here? This is actually pretty good. Let's see what this one comes up with. So, I hope you learned something in this vid. This one's pretty good too, but I like the themed one here. This one, again, is pretty good. So, you know, we had our two options. They're both YouTube thumbnails. They're both kind of like are in the vibe of the theme or whatever. Hopefully, at some point in time, this lets me download the JPEG. It used to do it in JPEG, not in WebP form. I don't like the whole WebP thing. It's kind of annoying, bro. Let me see if this is even the right one. All right, at least we have one of these. All right, let's see what this one's looking like. All right, now we have ourselves a thumbnail. That one was a little faster, right? They're both pretty good, man. All right, and we're done. So just to review, you know, like play around with the prompts. Thumbnail expert is good. I do think you want to be very specific with like when it asks you these little details. I kind of like was actually really detailed with this stuff. Just try your hardest with it. Like I'm not some magician or some like world freaking brainiac. I just freaking wrote some crap. And then I said like match it with the theme of my thumbnail, which I think gives me some good branding. I might tell this to be more positive going forward too. I did a pretty good job making this more positive. You can see like this one looks like the end of the world. This one looks more friendly, like hello, I'm Bot 4.0. How can I assist you today? I'm like, Bot, please get the heck out of my face, bro. No, he looks like a guy that I just want to get the heck out of my face, bro. I'm going to say going forward, make these more positive. Actually, I don't know if I want to tweak this. It already seems to be kind of working. It's pretty good. All right. I think we're good here. All right, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Peace out.